Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be making sandwich with sardines. So let's get straight into it. You open up your sardine like this. Then with the help of your spoon, you press the sardines. Turn it into a paste. Mix the sardines with the oil. Your family will love this for breakfast or as a snack to chew on. Here we go. Bring out the bread. You put your sardine first. Spread it evenly on the bread, but avoid the edges so that it doesn't squish out when you are about to put it in the sandwich maker. Rub over your butter. So this sandwich machine takes 2 at a time. Spread evenly. You can use other things for your sandwich, but today we are using only sardine. Very easy, very quick, fast process. Within minutes, you'll be enjoying the fruit of your labor. So now, we'll put on the sandwich maker. It takes few minutes to pick up, and when it picks up, this light will be on. Now my sandwich maker is ready. You can see the extra light. Now I'm not adding any extra oil or butter because the butter on both sides of the bread is enough for that. Then you cover and lock. It's common, the light indicator that's telling you that it's ready. When the light comes on, if you want it to be more crunchy, you have to leave it and enjoy this with your family. What will you be taking this with? Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And if this video was helpful to you in any way, please smash the like button. Thank you.